Hi, my name is Nagnat Kakade. I'm working as a Salesforce trainer at Teks Academy. Now, what is Salesforce? Salesforce is the number one CRM platform. Now, what is CRM? CRM is the customer relationship management, right? Means to acquire the customer and to provide the service to the customers. So, is it difficult to learn Salesforce? The answer is no. It is not difficult to learn Salesforce. Salesforce, it divides in two segments. First one is the admin, that is also called it as a configuration, and second one is the development, that is called it as a customization, right? Admin part we can do with the help of mouse and drag button, and in development we can do with the help of programming language, that we are utilizing Apex programming language, which is very easy to learn. So, people having career gap can learn Salesforce? The answer is yes. Even though if any person having career gap, he can learn Salesforce. Salesforce offers two segments. First one is the admin and second one is the development. And development part is very easy. In the development, there is a Apex programming languages, which is quite easy as compared to the Java, Python, C, C++. Now, what are the job opportunities of Salesforce? Now, Salesforce offers number of job opportunities, as this software is completely based on cloud computing, and the small scale industries are trying to shift to this cloud computing. So, due to which they need manpower. So, as much as there is a requirement of manpower, so there is a huge demand of Salesforce.